page 11, where we were talking about the silk. I showed you a video of the butterfly, how it was shaking and splitting its skin and coming out, and that is called molting. So we don't have a page in our science notebook, but I just want to put that on here. So I'm going to put the date. That was May 4th. So a 5-4, so that's May and the 4th day. And what was happening was the caterpillar was molting, okay? So I'm gonna write that. T-H-E, I'm gonna start with an uppercase letter. Caterpillar, that's a big word. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. And the caterpillar is, that's a new word, and a finger space and molting, M-O-L-T, and then ing, which is I-N-G. So look at my sentence here. The caterpillar is molting. I'm going to put a period at the end of my sentence. Okay, that's what it does because it's growing and it gets too big for its skin. Okay. When the caterpillars spin their last pieces of silk, they will spin what is called a silk button at the top, and they will go into this. What letter does that look like, boys and girls? Should look like, you should be saying J. So the caterpillar, will go into a J shape. Once it is in this shape, it is not going to get down. It's not going to crawl back around the cup. It's not going to eat anymore. It's going to stay right here. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. So we're going to turn to page 13. So today's date is the 6th. 5-6. So we're going to put that into our box, and it said to watch your caterpillar when it got to be about this big, and that's how big it was when we were watching it last. The caterpillar will crawl to the top of the cup and spin a strong silk button. Then it will hang upside down from the button. It will hang in a J shape. Okay, so we're going to draw our cup and do our work in our science notebook again. So here you're going to draw the top of your cup and the sides down from your cup and the bottom of your cup. There is still a little bit of that mallow in there. Let's see. There is frass down at the bottom. But you want to show the silk button at the top, and then you want to show the caterpillar hanging from that silk button in what looks like a J. Okay, so you can do your best on making that J. And it kind of has some dark marks on it. You're seeing looks almost like a crisscross pattern. Let's see if we can look at that again. Okay, so you can still see some of those bristles. You can see the bottom part looks dark and the top part looks lighter. Okay, so what we want to do here, you could maybe still show a few pieces of that silk strand that's hanging there. And we're going to do some labeling. I'm going to say that we have a silk button, B-U-T-T-O-N, silk button. And I'm going to draw my line to show where that was. So you want to show inside the picture what that shows. I'm going to see if I have any more information to tell you about what's going on. You want to work hard in your science notebook to make sure you have what it looks like there in the cup. So when the caterpillar is in the J shape, this is the final thing that the caterpillar does. So what's going to happen is